Good morning, children. Today I'll be telling you about prime and composite numbers, what are prime and composite numbers, and how to identify them. So, as you see, here I have listed some numbers and their factors. Like 1, the factor of 1 is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, and so on. You can also have a long list of numbers. I have included only up to 11. Now, see from this list, every number has 1 as the factor and every number has itself as the another factor. Means 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. ये पहले पढ़ चुके हैं आप. हर नंबर का minimum 2 factors होता है. Every number has minimum 2 factors. What are those? 1 and the number itself. You can see from the list, हर एक नंबर का कम से कम 2 फैक्टर होता ही है. वो कौन है? 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. See, 1 and the number itself. And see here, a number having only 2 factors. Only is the key word. Only means सिर्फ. एक नंबर जिसके सिर्फ 2 फैक्टर्स हैं और वो कौन? 1 and the number itself is a prime number and a number having more than 2 factors is a composite number. यानी ऐसे नंबर जिसके सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 फैक्टर्स हैं, 1 and the number itself, it is called prime, and a number having more than 2 factors, 2 से अगर ज़्यादा हुए तो उसको composite कहेंगे. So here we can list, start from 2, इसके 2 हैं, so it is prime. 1 and the number itself, prime. इसके 3 हैं, so 4 is a composite number. 5 has 2 factors, so it is prime. 6 has 4, it is composite. 7 prime. 8 composite. 9 composite. 10 composite. 11 prime. So here we can conclude a number having only 2 factors is a prime number. And what are those 2 factors? 1 and the number itself. You will mention only in prime number. And composite number, it has more than 2 factors. Now 1 has not any, it has only 1 factor. So it is neither prime nor composite. ना तो वो prime है ना वो composite है. So 1 दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं है. Then one more thing. See, suppose one number is given to you and you have to find whether it is a prime number or a composite number. You do not have to list all the factors of it. Suppose 10 is given to you. So 10, it has minimum 2 factors. 1 and the number itself. 1 और 10 तो है ही. But as 10 is an even number, वो 2 के टेबल में आएगा. So 2 एक एक्स्ट्रा फैक्टर आ गया. तो कितने हो गए अभी? 2 से ज़्यादा हो गए. So सारा फैक्टर नहीं निकाल के भी we can find out that 10 is a composite number. One more thing you should remember, every even number एक्सेप्ट 2 इज कॉम्पोजिट. यानी 2 को छोड़ के बाकी जितने इवन नंबर हैं वो सब कॉम्पोजिट हैं. सी 4 composite, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. Every even number is a composite number. Next we'll move to some examples. Suppose you have to find the smallest prime number, यानी सबसे छोटा prime number. So you see from the list, 1, ये तो ना prime है ना composite है, leave. This one, it is prime. So ये सबसे पहले ही है, so smallest prime number is 2. देन स्मॉलेस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर, सबसे छोटा कंपोजिट कौन है? 1 नहीं है, 2 नहीं है, 3 नहीं है. सबसे पहले कौन आया? सी. हियर 4. सो 4 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट कंपोजिट नंबर. देन स्मॉलेस्ट ऑड प्राइम नंबर, ऐसा एक नंबर जो ऑड भी हो और प्राइम भी हो और सबसे छोटा हो. सो लेट अस सी. पहले देखते हैं ऑड कौन कौन है. सो हियर ये ऑड है पर ये प्राइम या कंपोजिट कुछ नहीं है. हमें ऑड प्राइम ढूंढना है. सो दिस इज इवन, दिस इज ऑड. 3 इज ऑड एज वेल एज प्राइम. सो द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑड प्राइम नंबर इज 3. देन स्मॉलेस्ट ऑड कंपोजिट नंबर, सबसे छोटा ऑड कंपोजिट, ऑड भी हो और कंपोजिट हो. पहले आप ऑड लिस्ट में जाते हैं. ऑड बट इट इज प्राइम. ऑड प्राइम, ऑड prime, odd, composite. See, so 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Then smallest even composite. So पहले even वाले लिस्ट में चलते हैं और फिर उसमें से composite ढूंढेंगे. Even, but it is prime. Even composite. So it is the smallest even composite number. In this way you can find out. Another example, suppose you have to write all the composite numbers between 10 and 20. Between 10 and 20 means 10 और 20 you had to leave. इन दोनों को छोड़ के इसके बीच में जो जो आते हैं वो सब composite ढूंढना है. So 11 it is prime. 12 I told you every even number except 2 is composite. So 12 composite. क्योंकि इसके कौन कौन फैक्टर होंगे 1 12 और 2 से कट रहा है तो 2 भी है 6 के टेबल में भी आता है. So it is composite. Then 13 prime. 14 composite. 15 composite क्योंकि वो 3 के टेबल में आता है 5 के टेबल में भी आता है. Then 16. Then 17 is prime. 18 19 is prime and 20 will not, right? Okay, because 20 को हमें लेना नहीं है इनके बीच में. Suppose same question would have been asked to you, write all the composite numbers from 10 to 20. 10 से लेके 20. So in that case you have to include 10 and 20. So 10 और 20 को भी लेना है क्योंकि from मतलब से 10 से लेके 20 तक. So you have to include 10 also as a composite number and 20 also as a composite number. Now I am going to discuss about prime factorization of a number. Prime factorization of a number means to represent a number as the product of its prime factors only. जैसा कि नाम है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, सो यू हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट अ नंबर. एक नंबर को इस तरह से लिखना है कि उसके सारे सिर्फ प्राइम फैक्टर ही उसमें दिख रहे हों. ओके, सो लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल ऑफ 24. I have written 24 in different ways. 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So there are 5 different ways to write. Now we have to find out which one is the prime factorization of 24. You see 1 and 24. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So ये तो होगा ही नहीं. Then 2 into 12. This is prime but this is not prime. This is composite. So it is not the prime factorization. 3 8s are 3 is prime number but 8 is not a prime number. हमें सारे prime factor चाहिए. ये composite आ गया. So it is not a prime factorization of 24. 4 6 are composite number. No. Next here 2 2 2 3. Prime number and let us cross check. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So this is the prime factorization. So you can write prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Similarly, another example, prime factorization of 45. Let us choose 3. Which one among these will be the correct answer? 3 into 15. Prime, composite. No. 5 into 9. Prime but composite. No. 1. Neither prime nor composite. So ये है ही नहीं. 3 3 5 1. Prime but 1 ना तो prime है ना composite. So this is also a no. Then 3 3 and 5. Prime. Cross check. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Yes. So this is the prime factorization of 45. So next worksheet 8, there you only have to identify the prime factorization of number. That one is quite easy. So again remember, what is prime factorization of a number? It is a way of representing a number as the product of its prime factors only.